Awesome, everybody. Here we are, B-flat blues jazz walking bass line. This is for newer learners, but it can get a little tricky. We're working with seventh chords, and we're going to work with 3 seventh chords: B-flat 7, B-flat,
D, F, and A-flat.
Then we have E-flat, the 4 chord, G, B-flat, and D-flat, and then F7, F, A, C, and E-flat. There's going to be 3 different chord shape patterns. I'm going to be using inversions so our hand doesn't have to jump around. The chord that stays in root position would be the B-flat 7. But then when I get to the E-flat, I go down a half step. It's really nice, smooth voice leading to the G, E-flat, D-flat, E-flat. You notice I didn't use every note in the chord. I'm trying to use a sequential pattern so it's easy. So 2 patterns so far, and the last pattern is the F7, A, F, E-flat, F. I'm going to turn on the metronome and we are going to try to play this with the drums. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it comes, second pattern. 1, 2. 5 chord, 4 chord, all right, so the next video, what I'm going to do is keep that bass line there and then start talking about the guide tones, the 3rd and 7ths, give you some ideas, and that will help you with independence. And don't get overwhelmed. I'm saying 1 chord, 4 chord. I'm going to break that down. I just want to make sure that you get your playing going right away and practice the chords slowly. And if you want, for free, I'm going to jimmy up a PDF so you can see the bass line. Until next time, happy music making. Bye for now.